Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. This is the video that help you guys if you installing AliExpress Android radio, and the steering wheel key button on both sides does not work. This is might help you solve that problem. Now this is 2012 Toyota Sienna, and this is might help you solve your problem with the steering wheel key button doesn't want to work. So usually in the back of your radio, some of them they did not provide the plug for this. As you can see, this plug right here. So this is the plug that linked to your steering wheel key or button. So let me show you the three wire on the top, the blue, the black, and the green on the top. You see those three? Those are the three wire that link to your key, your steering wheel key. So the blue one is the ground wire. The black one is for the key on the left side. And the green one is for the key on the right side, this side. So if you check your bundle right here, bundle wire, there should be the one that label right here, key 1 and key 2. So what you need to do is you need to, the one for key 1, you need to attach to the black one, the black wire. Okay, the black wire. And the one that said label key 2, it's gonna attach to the green wire. And then the blue wire is ground, so just attach to any ground that you have. So based on the plug in the back of the unit, they have a label right here. So the ground wire is this one right here. It's the first one. So the first one, the first big black one, that's the ground wire. So you want to attach this ground wire to that. And then there's also labeled the key 1, key 2 in here too. And you have it. So the key 1, key 2 is right here. Right here, the label is right here. See, it's a key 2. Key 2 goes straight down to there. Port number 3. And then the key 1 is labeled right here. Key 1 is on the other side, which is right here on the number 4. Number 4. So all you need to do is attach those 3 cables, key 1, key 2. Key 1 is the black one. Key 2 is the green one. And then the blue one, you attach that to the ground. And after you did all that, your radio unit should recognize the key over here, so you can set it up inside here. So let me do the rest of the wiring, and then I will put this whole thing back and I will turn it on and see if it's work, and let me show you if it's work or not. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna work because as you know, I do research for you, so that's what my research is, and that's what I find out. So let me try it out, and I'll show you if it work or not. All right, okay, be right back. Okay, so I got all the wire connected, ground, and then key 1, key 2 into this plug that I found that fit into this one. So as a reminder, This is the plug right here. If you check on the back of your wire harness, so you got, when you flip in the back, it's like this, and if you flip in the front, you will see there's 3 wires on the top. So blue is for ground, black is for the key one, that's the one on the left side of the steering wheel, and green is key 2, which is on the button on the right side of your steering wheel. So I'll go ahead and plug that in. Plug that in. And let me plug that in. Hard to do with only one hand. Okay. So I got it. I plug it in. There you go. Now everything should be connected to the other side. Okay. That looked good. So basically you're gonna have 3 plugs, right? From the back unit of the Android Audio, right? One is for this one for this one, and the third one is this one we just did. Okay. And I'll go ahead and put everything back in, and I'll turn on the system, the car, and see if the Android Auto unit detected. And so if you don't know how to remove all this and stuff like that, check out my my installation video for this Android on this 2012 Toyota Sienna. Okay, so I'll be right back. Let me put everything back in, and we'll check it out. Okay, so I put the radio back in, and this is the moment we're all waiting for, and turn it on and see if it works. Got it right here. As you can see, go ahead and turn the music down, and let me go to the learning key and see if it works. Okay, so go to car setting, steering wheel, and let's see, I press something right here. See, as you can see, it worked. See, when I press it, I hold it, see, it work. So let's see this one for the for the audio plus. So audio plus, I press it, audio plus, it's register. Okay, audio minus, register. Cool. And then I'll go let's go back and forth. Okay, I press it, back and forth. Okay, move up. Okay, I got those 2 register. Now for the mode I want to go back to the home screen. So mode, home screen. And then over this side, let me try this side. Okay, this is the phone. So the phone pickup, phone pickup. Let's do this phone pickup. Okay, phone hang up. Got it. And let me see what's and the middle one is for the voice activation. I'll go ahead and press that. Voice activation. And I think I got everything already configured right here. So as you can see, it worked. So okay, I'll go check. Okay, successful save. See that? So let's do this. Let's go back to home. If I press this should go back to home because I just configured it. So press that, it go back to home. And let's do the volume up and down. Volume up, Volume down. Good. So everything is working and looking good. So I just want to show you how that you can show you the wire and how you can configure if your steering wheel button does not work. And as you can see, that's the wire for it. So I hope this is a helpful video. If you buy one of those Android unit that your steering wheel button does not work, that's the wire you need to do. So this is for the 2012, from 2011 to 2016, maybe all the way to 2020, Toyota Sienna. If you have a problem with that, this video is make sure you check the cable that I was showing you at the beginning of the video, and that's how you configure it. All right, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.